welcome back. In our last videos, we discovered how our inner elephant shapes our cravings and how the modern world tries to entrap the innocent creature. Now, let's explore the healthy ways to fulfill our genuine needs, the kind that truly nourishes our bodies. It's about getting back to the basics, the real essentials that keep us thriving. An unfulfilled elephant is more likely to fall into the traps of the modern world. Ready to embark on this journey? All aboard the safari of self-care. Let's start with the foundation of our physical health: food. Fill your plate with colors: greens, reds, and yellows. Each color is a step toward health. Think of green veggies, bright berries, and wholesome legumes. Eating these is not just tasty, it's your body cheering for joy. Regular meals are the stepping stones for our elephant. Skipping meals? That's when we wander into the trap of poor choices. Our will, much like our body, needs fuel to keep going. Roy F. Baumeister, in his insightful book on willpower, tells us how our self-control drains like a reservoir throughout the day. If we keep our tummies filled with healthy foods in regular intervals, we are less likely to fall for the traps of junk foods. Give it a try and watch your elephant's energy soar. Just like our body craves food, it also yearns for rest. Sleep is the unsung hero of our health, quietly knitting the fabric of our well-being each night. Imagine your body as a smartphone. Just like it needs a good charge to keep running, your body needs quality sleep to recharge. So, how can we get more quality hours of sleep? It's all about routine. Try to hit the bed at the same time every night. Yes, even on weekends. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. And here's a golden tip: no screens an hour before bed. Let your mind wind down with a book or some soothing music instead. And if you're lying awake with tomorrow's worries, jot them down on a piece of paper. It's like telling them, "Not now, I'm recharging." Give these tweaks a try and watch how they transform your tomorrow. Our bodies are like engines made for movement. They need more than just rest and sleep. They thrive on being active. It's not about pushing yourself to extreme limits like lifting super heavy weights or running marathons, unless, of course, you love doing that. It's about simple, everyday movements. A quick, brisk walk each day can do wonders. It gets your heart beating faster, your muscles stretching and strengthening. Why not give it a shot? Try adding a simple exercise regime to your routine and see how it boosts your energy. You might just be surprised at how much better you feel when you keep your body in motion. Now, let's talk heart to heart. Imagine your relationship as a dance, intimate, rhythmic, and when in sync, it's absolutely beautiful. This closeness, this dance we share with our partner, it's more than just romantic. It's a vital part of our well-being. Physical intimacy is an essential thread in the fabric of a healthy romantic relationship, weaving together moments of trust, sharing, and care. When embraced with mutual respect and consideration, it strengthens not just our emotional ties, but our physical health too. You see, when we connect deeply with our significant other, it's like giving our body a dose of wellness. Our bodies release feel-good hormones like oxytocin, often called the love hormone, which is like superfood for the body. It reduces stress, boosts our mood. Remember, it's not about grand gestures, it's about the little moments of connection. A quick tip? Start with a hug. It's simple, but a daily, heartfelt hug can be the first step to nurturing intimacy. Give it a try. When our elephant is well-fed, well-rested, and loved, it's much stronger against the noisy lures of the world. Next time, when you experience that sudden urge to eat something sweet or salty, pause and think, is it a need or a manufactured greed? If you have been following the best practices we have discussed, then that craving might just be a little gremlin of greed, not a true need. Chances are it'll pass and you'll feel stronger for it.